Vincent, what'd you eat today?
Beans.
Baked beans?
Yeah.
What else did you eat?
Beans.
Is that it?
Yeah.
You just ate baked beans? What'd you eat today?
Eggs.
Eggs? What else did you eat?
Beans. Eggs.
Eggs and baked beans?
Yeah.
Is that what you like to eat?
Yeah.
You eat eggs and baked beans?
Yeah.
So what'd you eat today?
Beans.
Baked beans?
Yeah.
Okay. Baked beans.
Yeah, baked beans. You know, baked beans.
Baked beans. Listen to you.
Yeah, baked beans. Baked beans.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, baked beans. Yeah, baked beans. Yeah, baked beans.
What are you eating now?
Baked beans.
What's that?
See?
Smoothie?
Mommy, cereal are gone. This, my cereal are gone.
He's going to...
That's mine.
Mama's smoothie's all gone.
He's like, it's about to be all gone.
Smoothie all gone.
Hey, Vincent, what'd you eat today?
Eggs.
What
Eggs.
else?
Where are you?
I'm right here,
Vincent,
baby.
what'd you eat?
Eggs.
And what?
Baked beans.